Okay, listen up. I'm at church. I'm showing you how to run the PowerPoint. Set it up so that you can run it out there in the main sanctuary. So there's a great cord that is in the USB port here on the computer. If you have a jump drive, you need to plug it into this other USB and then bring it up on the computer. All right. The reason for this gray cord is you are going to hook the clicker for whoever the presenter is into this so that they can run the PowerPoint from up front. You're going to make sure that this is leaning over the thing so that they'll have the signal will reach. So again, plug the clicker into that. So then you're going to come over here. You're going to put your USB in. We're going to go to PowerPoint, pull it up, Microsoft PowerPoint, pull it up. It will then load up. Again, notice it will not be up here on the screen yet. So PowerPoint comes up, you find your file. You might have to go over here and look for the place for wherever the USB is. I'm just going to open up this biblical framework for governance. This is just something that's on here. So as you can see, it's on here now. It actually looks a little big, so you might want to go to View, Fit Window. So again, on the monitor, you can see everything. So again, it's not on the screen yet. So what you need to do is one of two things. You need to go down here and click the slideshow button, which is the one on the far right, or you can go up to slideshow tab and do hit from beginning. So one of two ways. You can go down here, hit the slideshow button, or go up to slideshow tab and then hit run from beginning. It'll do the same thing. Once you do that, it will appear up on the screen. At this point, the person, whoever is in the sound booth, do not touch anything, because if you touch anything, it will stop it. They won't be able to control it from up front. So then the person will be able to click through the show on the clicker. Now I'm back here clicking on this, so I just want to show you. Once you do that, boom, 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 boom. If you come back here and start clicking around on the internet and stuff, it will not be, the person will not be able to control it on the screen. And so if you happen to do that, let's say you happen to click the wrong thing and then they can't run the show. See, all right, so I'm over here. Now I'm back on PowerPoint and I'm trying to run the show. As you can see, I'm clicking in here, but it's not moving on the screen. You will have to go to PowerPoint and see the one that's the second image. That is because we have two screens. So you'll have to click on that, and then it should be able to, it'll start moving again. That's just in case you mess up. Now, one thing for the presenter to know, once they get to the end, if they get to the end, that's the end, they need to go backwards. If they kick it again, it's going to go back to that screen, and then the person will have to go back to slideshow on the monitor to get it back to where they needed to go again, to get it. So, as you can see, hopefully that makes sense. Remember to put the clicker in the cord over here and then bring the slideshow up over here. Again, once you bring that show up, do not mess with anything else over here, because as you can see, once I click on other stuff, you're gonna have a problem. All right. So hopefully that helps. I'm gonna be somewhere in a session. I will not be able to answer any phone calls. So hopefully I got this. All right. Have a good day.